Hi everyone, my name's John Gallagher from the UK Pro AV team here at ADI Global Distribution. Today we're going to be looking at some of our Adastra product range, including an Analogue lockdown system. Let's take a closer look. The products we're going to take a look at today include the RM120D Mixer Amplifier from Adastra, the DM8 messaging unit from Adastra, the BC5V-W from Adastra, and the COM60 Paging mic. To record this demo, we're also using the NUX B10 vlog microphones, also available at ADI. As you can see here, we've got the amplifier unit on the bottom and we have a DM8 messaging unit on the top. Starting with the amplifier on the bottom, we have an RM120D from Adastra. The unit features 5 input levels, as well as a bass and a treble knob. As you can see, there are also zone selectors where you can turn on and off all speaker zones. The RM120D also features Bluetooth and DAB radio capabilities, as well as an SD card slot for local USB play and SD card play. You also have a master volume level. On top of the amplifier we have the DM8 device. As you can see, it features 8 physical buttons on the front with optional labels where you can write what those are. You also have a digital screen, a paging microphone input via XLR, as well as a trim and a page button. You also have a clock set and a schedule button. As you can see to the right of the output, you have an SD card slot. This is where you store all of the messages on the device. As well as the 8 physical button messages that you can upload up to 99 messages for the scheduler built into the DM8. As you can see on the back of the DM8 unit, you've got a 24 volt power input, message 1 to 8 trigger inputs, a line output, a line input or paging mic input, and also a background music input. Moving down to the RM120D, you have a 24 volt emergency mute, you have an FM DAB plus antenna connection, you have 5 line level inputs of different connector types, you have 1 line level output, and then you have 4 speaker zone outputs as well. You also have a standard speaker output, so if you don't want to do zones, you can just connect them up that way. Once the devices are ready and all analog connections have been made, you can upload the appropriate files to the SD card using the file naming format in the manual, which would be M001 to 8 for the buttons on the front. Once you've done that, you can press the button on the front and your first audible message will play. As we mentioned at the start of this video, this system can be used for analog lockdown, which is seen in education spaces and government spaces, for example. So what we've done is we've wired in a small switch to act as a lockdown button. So once my colleague Anthony flips that switch, a message then begins to play over the system. A great accessory to the RM120D is the COM60 Paging Microphone, which connects via standard XLR cable. You can then turn this from a lockdown system into a public address system. Anthony will now demonstrate.
This is a test announcement.
If you'd like any more information on any of the products featured in today's video, head to our website or get in touch with your account manager or local branch.